Mittens, are you playing with your toys?
Get it, Mittens.
Are you playing with your new toys?
And even some of this.
Give me it.
Studies show
Ow.
that if you do a lot of this, you aren't doing yourself any favors.
What about this one?
Soft sofa for an ergo. As in,
She loves those new toys.
I'm strong.
Where's that plastic mouse? She was after that one too. That looks like a real mouse, huh, Mittens? Yeah.
The seat is tough, reliable.
You know why she likes that pink one best? Because I sprinkled it with that catnip alternative. Yeah. That's why she's... Oh, now you got the purple one. Mittens, what are you doing? Are you playing with your toys?
This cool-looking stool can fit in lots of places. A regular chair can encourage the
There it is.
slouch.
Get it.
Ergo can help
Get
you
it.
feel like your mother
Uh-oh.
always said. Here we go
There
again.
it is.
Hey, don't you bite me. Play with your toys. What are you doing? Is that your toy? Is that your toy?
Look at the way she grabbed it.
I see that.
Now she's licking it.
Is that your toy, Mittens? Is that your new baby? She loves her new toys.